All right, I'm going to show you how to make a test. And we're going to do one on the solar system. So you first go to Google. All right, we'll start at the very, very beginning. And here's where the 9-dot menu is. Mm-hmm. So from the 9-dot menu, I'm going to go to Drive. Mm-hmm. I'm in a personal account, but that's okay. It doesn't matter if I'm on a personal or if I'm on a school one. Your school one looks just like this, except it may have docs and sheets and slides right here. Mm-hmm. But right now, I'm going to go to my Drive. And let's say that I have a folder with my content already in it. And you probably do. Like I have my Troy University class. And in here, if you had another folder, remember you can right click and make a new folder.
Okay.
Right? And so let's say that I'm doing astronomy. Okay? I'm teaching, that's my class. Now make the folder makes it gray. If you ever want to color code these, when in doubt, right click. And lets you do anything. It lets you share the folder. It lets you change the color, rename it, whatever you want. So right now I'm going to make this a red folder. So there's my astronomy folder. So from here on, everything I put in here will be instantly shared with my students if I've already shared the folder with them. Mm-hmm. But right now I have nothing in it. So I'm going to go to New and not make a document, not make a sheet, not make a slide, but make a form. This is my quiz maker. I can make true and false, multiple choice, okay? Fill in the blank. And it will grade it for me.
Wow.
So right now, I'm going to do a solar system quiz, right? So you click on where it says Untitled, and I name it Solar System Quiz, because that's all I know in science right now. If I click on the Untitled part at the top, right, it automatically named it there. Mm-hmm. So this is where I'd put in Unit 2, Section 1, something like that, okay? And I'll move along. I have 10 minutes to make this video. That's my cap. Mm-hmm. So now, the very first thing you have in the question is, you got to always do it this way. Last name, first name. This is where the students have to enter. If you don't have a personal marker, you can't grade it. So you have to go last name. Every one of these have to be the same. We've learned this. And then make it required. I wish everything was required. I made it not required, but that would have been too easy. Now you see where it says plus? You add a question. Okay. This is where you put student email. Have them put their student email because this allows you to send an answer key and the grade instantly back to their own email. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So now you got that. And now we move along. You hit plus. So the first two things are always last name, first name, the student email. This is where you have the first question. So now you can do this. Which planet is the closest to the sun? Right? Mm-hmm. And then from here, you go down here, and it's multiple choice, and you put in Mars, Venus. Okay, you don't answer it here, but you got the 4 choices. Mm-hmm. Notice that you have, this is just a textual one. Well, what I mean is it's just a text question. It's bare bones easiest, that's the easiest way that can be done. You can also make visual quiz. You being science, sometimes you pull a figure in and go from figure 9.41 from yesterday, what's the answer here? Or you're doing graphs and scales. You can pull in any picture. So, which planet is this? So what I'm going to do is you see where it says image? Mm-hmm. This is cool. Now I want a picture of Earth. So you see where it says search? Mm-hmm. Click on the picture, select. That picture is now in the question. It's huge, but I can always bring it in. Yeah. Any figure you have, you can open. So I'm going to make it as small as I can. So pretty cool. Mm-hmm. So again, we go Mercury. That's another way. Any figure, any science figure you have, man, you can put in here.
That's pretty cool.
All right. Next thing you can do, another question, always make it required, or they can skip a question, and it'd be wrong by being incomplete. 3, let's try it. I always number them. I just do. But you can change them up where it's always in different orders. They can't do off each other.
Yeah,
it lets you do that. Which planet is Mars? This is cool. I can go over here, and now instead of choosing the textual answer, I can put images in. Right? So
Yeah.
search here, and I need Mars images. So that's the correct answer. So I'm going to select that. Right? That puts it in as A. So now I'm going to go get a Jupiter. I'm just going to do one more so you can see that. But you see what happens. You have visual answers.
I like that. Because some of the test makers that I've used, I can't do anything with an image. You know, do not want to go and cut out images and
I know, kill you.
put them in.
Now, I'm going to give you 3 apps that let you do that. But there's Jupiter, right? So I'm going to put that in there. But look at the visual ones it makes. So that test will let you do this. It also crunches them and puts them side by side. They can take this on their phone. They can take it on an iPad. It don't matter. If you don't have a question mark, you click here, you add it. That's fine. So the science application is nice. It will allow you to add YouTube videos too. So if you wanted the kids to watch a video, right, on Mars atmosphere, okay, and YouTube. I could have went back and cheated. Let's go the easiest way. I don't even want to do it that way. I'm going to go down here to the 4th question. All right. Add a video. Now it lets you go find Mars atmosphere. Enter. And you know which one you're looking for the fate of Mars atmosphere. You click on it, right? They have to watch that. Okay. Watch Mars atmosphere. Mars atmosphere video. When once they watch it, you come down here, right? You add a question, and then they have to enter 3 questions from. Unless you embed the video into the questions.
Yeah, I like that. Because we do watch video, you know, off YouTube a lot of times, so that would be real helpful.
And this lets them put it right on their Chromebook. They can watch it self-paced. Any math problem you can do that with too. There are several other ways you can do that. But for right now, that's your science in a nutshell. I like that. So that would have been question number 4. Right, what happened to the atmosphere? All right, you can just leave it in there. Now, where it says multiple choice, you can make it a long paragraph answer. This won't auto-grade it. You got to physically go in and give them value.
Yeah, but that's good though to have that option.
Yes.
Short answer.
And so you've got a lot. And checkboxes mean if there's multiple correct answers. Okay, so you have a linear scale and you have date and time. If they had to put something in by that, they could. So if you leave it long answer, that means you're going to come back and auto-grade it. Once they're done, it will auto-grade and let you see what they got right, percentage right, why it's in.
Nowhere on there when you were making that did you say which one's the right answer though? Right?
Not yet. What I have to do next is this. I got to go take it. So you see the eyeball right there? I'm going to click right here. And this is where you take the quiz. So, you know what I'm going to call it? Answer key. Call it answer key. I'm going to call it RolandWeldon@gmail.com. It's going to go right to me. By the way, every result from everywhere will go to that website. And it will give me a detailed analysis. So let's say I'm doing this really quick. We're about to be over the 10 minutes, I think. So which planet is this? See how it looks? It looks good. Which planet is this? And something bad happened. All right, we're stopping. See, we're approaching our limit. We get to stop sharing at the bottom here.